good morning. It's me again, Joel, and welcome back to my channel, Joel Star Vlog. And of course, ngayon habang wala pa tayong client, wala pang customer, syempre, bibigyan muna namin kayo ng isang umaatikabong kantahan. So mag-aakapela kami kasi wala kaming magawa dahil nga walang tao ngayon sa mall, wala pang mga kliyenteng dumadating. So kakanta muna kami. Kaya guys, eto, I hope you like it. Ay, go na ba? Ulit! Yung talaga,
Kakanta na lang yan. Okay. Sabihin mo kasi.
Gusto ko yung medyo bumibili tayo yung mga pangmatanda, no? Yung yung...
I can't help falling in love.
Ayoko na! Gusto yung mga pangmatanda, yung mga 1950s,
Never
1940s.
Alam mo yun, yung...
Never thought.
Hindi! Yung paborito ng tatay.
Kasi
Ano ba? Yung paborito ng tatay ko, yung... Yung yung kanta yung... Ano yung title yung... Just like a knife! Knife! Ayan!
Just like a knife.
Hindi maganda siya.
Ayan, go na. Kaya ito yung mic. At tatayo tayo. Hi! With emotions. Tayo mo naman dito. With feelings. Seryoso na to.
Okay. Ay, nakikita ko.
Dito kay Angel, hindi kami maganda. Start na ba?
Ayan na, ayan na.
Tagal mo na into.
Ayan na.
You touch my life. Oh, diba? With the softness in the night. Hindi ko makuha yung tono. My wish was your command until you run out of love. Matanda. Tell myself I'm free. Get the chance of living just for me. No need to hurry home now that you're gone. Night cuts like a knife. How will I ever give? I'm so deeply wounded. Night cuts like a knife. You got away. When I pretend with a smile to pull my dearest friend. Wala ka sa boses ko, no? I wonder if they know it's just a show. Mataas to, baby. Ayan guys, so maraming salamat. At ako pinagbigyan nyo mag-karaoke. Napakatagal na kasi panahon na hindi ako nagka-karaoke. Kaya I hope you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Maraming salamat. And bye!